Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you, so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769. Listen to the 3-minute message, and then someone will call you back and explain the system for you. They'll ask you who your sponsor was. If you were watching this video, it's JJ Solly or John Solly, okay? AKA your friendly neighborhood Solly man. So, and why should you listen to me? Because I've been making money online for years, okay? Make money from home. If you're affiliate marketing, network marketing, digital marketing, you want to watch to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you the results, and I'm going to show you so we're going to check on YouTube, okay? I noticed that you can do this. I want to show you incognito, okay? So this is incognito. You can search for this exact phrase, okay, and you'll see there's my playlist. There's Justin Temple's video. There's my video. This is an ad, it doesn't count. Another video, another Justin Temple video, and make money on with JJ, and make money on JJ. This is a video that hasn't even premiered yet, okay? How powerful is that? It premieres 3 days from now, yet it's already ranked. And I'll show you Google later, okay? But, spoiler alert, it looks pretty good. So how are we doing this, okay? Well, the elite stuff that actually works. Elite training, by the way, you'll get in the high ticket lifestyle. It's not a cash gifting. They have elite training that will teach you how to actually make money online, and more importantly, how to take one of these high ticket commissions and fund your traffic forever. Okay, make more and more money. Potentially, no income disclosure. I'm not guaranteeing anything. I don't know you. I don't know your work ethic. I don't know if you're going to want to take the, buy this training, and then, one of the levels, and then 3 days from now, you get another shiny object, and you stop following the training. Or you're never going to make a video because you're too scared. Okay? I don't know you. Or you're going to give up after you haven't made $1 million in 5 days. Okay? I don't know you. But I do know this training and these systems work. Okay? And it's the best way to make 100% or more commissions. Okay? So, now we're going to go to the post. This is the high ticket lifestyle bonuses. Okay, I'm going to try to find the actual title. Give me a second. And 5 hidden profit steps. Okay, so let's trace exactly how the money flows across positioning levels so the logic is clear. Now, before I continue on this, you're probably asking, why am I reading from a blog? Okay, because it's more powerful. It will help you get more traffic results like this, okay? And like this, okay? Because it works. Okay? Why would you bang your head on a wall and keep doing what doesn't work? Or you can do what actually is proven to work, okay? Double your traffic, double from one-time work, okay? Work smart, not hard, okay? A high intent buyer goes through their funnel and purchases the full $5,000 package. And I want to show you something real quick. This is elite training again. I'm not scared to teach you what actually works, okay? Now notice, I only have 27 out of 100 score. I need at least 75 or 100 to rank this video, okay? So I'm going to, and to publish it. I can't publish it. See how it's red? Okay? Now watch this. You would be really upset, except it tells you exactly what you need to do, right? When you do this. Sorry. It tells you exactly what's red, additional steps, anything that's red you need to change, okay? But I'm going to show you how close you are. Now look at this. I'm going to change one thing. Edit snippet, and I'm going to change the title. The focus keyword, right? High ticket lifestyle bonuses. Now watch very carefully. Okay, that's not spelled right. It went from 23 to 79. Now I can publish it. 23 to 79 went up 56 points. Okay, because it's the focus keyword. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to where I was. Okay. Okay. Scenario 1 involves an operator who starts at the bronze level for $500. A high-intent buyer goes through their funnel and purchases the full $5,000 package. Now this is how the math works, okay? So understand this is very important. The bronze operator captures $500 instantly and $4,500 leaks upward because she's only qualified at the bronze level, $500. Still, most systems, if you're not qualified, you don't get anything. Okay, here you still get $500 because that's where you're qualified. Scenario 2 features a silver operator who did not take action on their initial countdown window. Okay, they didn't get the 48-hour bump. I'll explain in a minute. When a $5,000 sale hits, they keep $1,500 and $3,500 passes up. Scenario 3 shows a fully optimized path when the operator leverages a strategic sweet spot. They secure the position, lock down their inventory shield, and keep their full $5,000 strike. Seeing the math clearly shows why positioning is investment rather than expense. Now, I told you I'd show you, right? Get upgraded, this is a huge bonus, to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. How can you get more than 100%? Well, because of our bonuses, you get, if you take action, because you're an action taker, right? You're watching this video because you're an action taker. You're serious about making life-changing income. You're serious about whatever goals you are. Mine is to retire from my 9 to 5 and have time and money freedom, okay? When you decide to take action before the timer runs out, this timer right here, you will be rewarded with the next level qualification. Join at the $500 level, get no upgrade. No! Stop! If you do that, you're capped at $500, okay? You can still, $500 is a lot of money, okay? But you don't get the bonus. And what I mean, join at the $1,500 level, 48 hours, action taker, bonus, and you have this timer, get qualified at the $3,500 level. So let me get this straight. You can pay $1,500, that's the sweet spot, and make 233% ROI. What is ROI? Return on investment. You make more money than you paid by $2,000, okay? $3,500 minus $1,500 is $2,000. Okay, minus the admin fees, which the owner decreased them by $200 per level. Okay, to make it easier for you to make money. And again, remember I told you call center. He does a call center for you. Okay, and everything's freezing. Yeah, there's the call center. Okay. He does a call center for you. That's part of where your money goes. And he's giving away 100% or better commissions, okay? He's not greedy. He wants you to win too. If you win, he wins, okay? Join the 5,000, join the 3,500, get qualified at the $5,000 level. Again, if you take action in 48 hours. Join the 5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus. 100,000 diamond level bonus. The Bitcoin Boss Roundtable. Get access to Justin Temple's personal day trading chat and daily market analysis and copy trades right when Justin makes market moves. Awesome. Life changing. Okay, where was I? Seeing the math clearly shows why position is an investment rather than expense. The high ticket lifestyle bonus is a 48-hour silver strike. The absolute strategic baseline for serious operators is entering silver $1,500. Like I told you, I showed you, that's a sweet spot. Because you can get, if you take action, you can make $3,500, $1,500, and $500 over and over again. Okay, if now somebody pays $5,000 and you upgraded from $1,500 in the window, that means you don't get $5,000, you get $3,500. Most systems, you don't get anything because you're not qualified at that level. But we're not like most systems. You could still make $3,500. Not $1,500, not $500, not in zero, $3,500 because you're an action taker, right? Now I'm going to lead and put the details on the capture page. A single 48-hour clock starts. This high-tech level leverage window grants you special at 48-hour silver to gold bump status. Bonus. It instant qualifies your marketing funnel to capture 3,500 gold commissions if you take action. You get the massive earning qualification out of pure profit potential. However, you only possess the actual physical training products for silver and bronze. Okay, you get the bump upgrade commission-wise. You don't get the gold training. You're qualified to catch the big checks, but you don't know the gold products yet. The high-ticket lifestyle bonuses for whale captures. Let's look at the raw math of having the silver to gold bump when a whale hits. A 5,000 whale hits your capture link while you're sitting at the silver position. Without the bump activated, you only keep $1,500 and $3,500 passes straight up. 5,000 minus 1,500 is $3,500 you're not getting. With the 48-hour bump bonus activated, you pocket a massive $3,500 cash strike. Only the remaining $1,500 overflow leaks past your inventory shield. That single structural bonus keeps thousands of dollars directly in your personal account. You get paid any way you want. It doesn't go to a system. It goes right straight to your whatever your Bitcoin wallet, your Ethereum, your Litecoin, Cash App, PayPal, Zelle. Okay, you tell them how you want to get paid, and you can pay it in multiple different ways. High-ticket lifestyle bonuses, why direct-to-processor your income wins. Waiting weeks or months for a corporate affiliate program to clear a platform to clear your payouts is an absolute risk. Traditional net 30 or net 60 payout schedules leave your marketing capital completely hostage. If the middleman platform goes under or decides to freeze your account, your business vanishes. Direct-to-processor infrastructure eliminates the systematic vulnerability entirely by removing the middleman. When a high-ticket strike occurs, the capital drops right into your merchant account, cash application, or wallet. You hold the liquid capital instantly, allowing you to fund life or reinvest in traffic on your own terms. It's up to you, right? This is liquidity is the exact mechanism that covers a fragile hustle into a bulletproof enterprise. The high-ticket lifestyle bonuses automated call center. Okay, I showed you this, right? That's what this is talking about. True sovereignty means you never pick up the phone, chase a lead, or answer support questions. The entire system is powered by a 100% free automated corporate call center that works for you. Okay, you paid for it. It's a bonus that we're offering, and it's elite. Imagine never having to pick up your phone. I'm not saying don't, because somebody might want to know you're you, and they're already pre-sold. Okay, they've already talked to the call center. They just want to know you're a real person. Would you pick up if you knew $3,500 potential was on the other line, or even $500 or $1,500? Yeah, I would. Because most of the people that talk to me, they're already, hey JJ, I'm ready to join you, or I have a few questions, or hey JJ, I've already joined you. Now they listen to a 3-minute. The leads are forced to call the direct screening line. They listen to the 3-minute recording message that instantly filters out the unmotivated tire kickers. If the prospect lacks the focus to finish a 3-minute phone call, they're automatically weeded out. Okay, they're probably never going to take action anyways. They only got 3 minutes to learn how to make money over and over again. I can't speak for them. The corporate sales floor answers the hard question, closes your deal, so you can wake up to potential $500 to $5,000 strikes. Imagine that. This was your high-ticket lifestyle bonuses and 5 hidden profit steps. And I showed you I can rank my videos on YouTube and Google. And you can learn this, have elite training that will teach you how to trade Bitcoin. This is JJ Sala, aka John Sala, aka your friendly neighborhood Salaman. Don't delay, get with Jay today.